Hi, welcome back. Today, we'll be showing you how to connect your preferred channels on eBanqo, specifically web chat and Facebook. First, log into your eBanqo account and make your way over to Configuration on the left panel of the screen. Navigate to Apps and click on Web Chat. Here, you can fully customize your web chat view with your brand details and publish changes once confirmed. Now, head on over to Facebook and click on the tab and then continue to Facebook. Next, you'll be required to log into your existing Facebook account and then hit Continue. On the next page, hit Create a Business Portfolio. Now, fill the information of your business name, and your business email. And just like that, you're all set. It's that easy.